This is Havana Club's brand new Cuban spiced. Awesome notes of coconut, of guava, of pineapple coming off of there. It's so delicious. I'm going to tell you all about it and I'm going to show you my signature serve. Welcome back, Spiced Rum fans. I haven't said that on this channel for well over a year. I'm so super excited. This dropped last week. I'm jumping my schedule. I'm shooting this if you're watching this live when it's released. I actually shot this yesterday, which is a bit unlike me. I'm jumping the queue. I'm so excited. Havana Club, boys and girls, have come out to play in the Spiced Rum-based spirit category, whatever you want to call it, Spiced Rum category for me personally. This is how I'll always know it. I did not think Havana Club would get involved in this market. However, they have. They've bided their time. They've looked at what's going on and they've come out with a very, very different kind of, let's just call it Spiced Rum. I know it's not. Before the haters come in, I know it's not, but I'm just going to call it Spiced Rum. So we've got vanilla is back there. We've got obviously Havana rum in there. That's the cool thing with it. We've got Havana rum in there. We've blended with vanilla, we've got guava, we've got pineapple, and then we've got coconut. This is so good to drink this neat as well. Absolutely delicious. I hate using that cliche, but it's super smooth as well. You do get the alcohol off it. For me, it doesn't taste 35. It tastes a lot stronger than 35% ABV or 70 proof. Pernod Ricard have got a huge route to market in the UK. I expect to see this in most supermarkets up and down the country, up and down the UK very, very soon. I hope they do, because I think this could be the brand that kind of does now take spiced rum and kick the category on in the UK. I think this could be huge potential. It's kind of the grown-up version. I haven't got it, I've put it away. It's kind of the, oh no, there it is. It's kind of the grown-up version of Captain Morgan's Tiki. If you love that and you love your rum, you are gonna 10 times better, purely because this is what, 25% ABV. This is for rum lovers, so you're absolutely gonna love that. If I was excited about one product this year, it is this. Just very quickly, signature serves on there. Enjoy mixed with cola. That should be interesting. I haven't got any Coke here at the moment. Or ginger beer, just add a slice of lime to a tall glass. I've stuck with the ginger beer. I've come up with my my signature serve. I'm going to show you how to make that in a second. But this is absolutely delicious. I'm not going to spoil what the ingredients in there, but I could drink that all day long. So coming up in a second is the recipe. I'm going to show you how to make that. But quick question before we dive into it, get involved in the comments below. How excited on a scale of 1 to 10 are you about trying Havana Club Cuban Spiced? Right then, let's crack on and make this cocktail. Remember, this needs a name. I've called it the Cuban something, so drop your name suggestions in the comments below. Ingredients I'm going to use in this, obviously we're going to go Havana Cuban Spice. That's going to be the base. Other ingredients, I've got Giffard's chili liqueur, piment. I've got some honey syrup, some mango syrup, some fresh lime juice, and ginger beer. Remembering their signature serve for this is with ginger beer. So, right. So we are gonna go 60 ml of our Cuban spiced rum. Using this as the base. Here we go. Then I am gonna go for 10 ml of this chili liqueur. Just 10 ml. You don't need too much of this because it's got a proper nice sort of chili kick to it. And then I'm going for 10 ml of honey syrup. And you can make, remember this is bought in honey syrup, you can make it yourselves at home. Just do honey, 2 parts honey to 1 part water. That's what I would personally do, just to make it a bit looser and a bit more runny. So I've got honey syrup and I've got some mango syrup here as well. There we go, 10 ml of mango syrup. I'm gonna go for, if I can get the lid, I'm gonna go for 15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. So 1/5, half an ounce of that. Freshly squeezed lime juice, lovely. And then I'm just now going to shake this up. And obviously the ginger beer is going to come afterwards as well. So fill the shaker up completely with ice. Good hard fast shake for about 10 to 12 seconds. Right. There's that. I'm just going to add my ginger beer to the shaker. so we don't have to stir it once it's in there. And again, I'm going for 60ml. I'm matching the booze, so 60ml of ginger beer in there. Lovely. Right. Now to serve this up, I'm going for a tiki glass. Usually pop that over there. Tiki glass. And I'm just going to strain this actually. I'm going to serve this with crushed ice. I'm going to go kind of do it properly. There we go. Strain that all in there. And now I've got some crushed ice ready to go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Crushed ice at the top and then garnish. I've got a little pre-made kebab there. Pineapple and cherry if that sits on. And then pineapple leaf. Popping up on screen now, right there will be even more spiced rum recipes for you to dive into. And as always, if you like me, if you like this video, give us a big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well.